My name's Amy from Vanlux, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2013 AutoTrail Tracker EKS. This vehicle has done just over 31,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can see our kitchen area, which is complete with a sink, cooker, oven, microwave and fridge. Just behind our kitchen we have our bathroom, so you can get a good view of the shower. And our sink and toilet. As we'll be able to see from the pictures, these two sofa transforms into our double bed, making this camper 2 belts, 2 berth. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.